Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Bro-zedex syrup. We coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Ltd. Bro-zedex syrup. Uses. Bro-zedex syrup is mainly used for the treatment of cough, especially when it is linked to mucus buildup or allergies. Benefits. This syrup helps loosen thick mucus, making it easier to cough out and improving airflow. It also relieves allergy-related symptoms such as watery eyes, sneezing, runny nose, and throat irritation. It usually starts working within a few minutes and provides relief for several hours, helping you carry out daily activities more comfortably. Side effects. Like all medicines, Bro-zedex syrup may cause some side effects. These include indigestion, vomiting, diarrhea, headache, dizziness, sweating, bloating, tremors, increased heart rate, or nausea. If these symptoms persist, consult your doctor immediately. How to use. Take Bro-zedex syrup in the exact dose and duration prescribed by your doctor. Shake the bottle well before use. Measure the dose using a cup and take it by mouth. It can be taken with or without food, but try to take it at the same time each day. How it works. Bro-zedex syrup is a combination of 4 medicines: bromhexine, guaifenesin, menthol, and terbutaline. Bromhexine thins and loosens mucus. Guaifenesin reduces the stickiness of airway secretions. Menthol provides a cooling effect and soothes throat irritation. Terbutaline relaxes airway muscles and widens the airways. Together, they make breathing easier.